Hi everyone, once again welcome back to the 𝗨𝘵𝐵 Academy. Today I'm very excited to introduce you to a super cool tool with the help of which you can improve your English. And the name of that app is Chatgpt. Chatgpt is an AI tool which is developed by OpenAI. So in this video we will explore how we can use Chatgpt to improve our grammar, our vocabulary and our speaking. But before that, if you are new here, be sure to like our video, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon because it really motivates me to make such informative videos for you. So friends, as you know, it is my 14th day of 75 hard days English challenge, and till now I have already addressed 13 problems that we all face while learning English. And if you are new here, you must watch all those videos right after watching this one. Now without wasting any time, let's dive into today's topic. Okay friends, so the first thing that we can do with the help of Chatgpt to improve our English is we can create a conversation between two people here. For example, I will give it some instructions. So you can either type here, or here is one more option available for recording. So if you are lazy, then you can record it without typing. Create a conversation between two friends who are meeting after a long time at a wedding. Friends, you can see that an entire conversation has been generated here between two people who are in a wedding. Okay, so like see, you can just recite it from here. Like person 1 is saying, hey there, it's been ages, how have you been? And the person 2 is saying, oh my goodness, it really has been too long, I have been good, thanks, what about you? So friends, you can just recite this entire conversation. Okay, so it will improve your reading skills here. I just gave you one demo that you can insert any type of condition or any type of title here. For example, you can to create a conversation between two people who are in a vegetable market, or you can just add like create a conversation between 4 friends who are sitting in a canteen. So it's quite fun. Okay, you can also translate this entire conversation in your mother tongue also. If your mother tongue is Hindi, then you can convert it Hindi also. Okay, so this is the first thing that you can do with the help of Chatgpt. Now I will tell you what is the second thing that you can do with the help of Chatgpt to improve your English. So friends, the second thing that we can do with the help of Chatgpt is we can find the meaning of any word. See, whenever we read books, articles, newspaper, or we listen the native English speakers or whatever type of speech we listen in English, that time we find lots of new words. And if we are not understanding the meaning of that word, that time what we do, we directly go to Google and search it there. But sometimes we do not get clarity about that word there, and so we are not able to understand that thing properly. So what you can do is you can directly come to Chatgpt and search that meaning here, and it will explain the entire meaning of that thing in a very easy way and with examples also. Okay, so for example, I found a word overwhelm. Now let's see how it generates the answer. Okay, okay, now it has given me a meaning of overwhelm, and suppose I'm not understanding what is the meaning of this thing, then I can again give it instructions to generate it in a more easy way with examples. So I have written here, explain again in a easy way, because I didn't understand what it was trying to say. Okay, now it has again explained me in another way. Okay, so I want to understand the meaning of this word with the help of example. Okay, now I will give it instructions to give me some examples related to this sentence, this word. See, now it has given me an example. You can ask for as many examples as you can. Okay, until your doubt gets clear, you can ask it as many times as you can. So the meaning of this word in Hindi, and click here. Okay, now it has given me the meaning in Hindi also. You can see, no matter how many times we ask it, it explains us everything in easy way. It also gives us Hindi meaning with good examples. So the next thing that you can do with the help of ChatGPT is you can find out the meaning of idioms, proverbs or slangs or phrases here. So for example, now I will take an example. Let's take an idiom here, and the idiom is cost an arm and a leg. Okay friends, you can see it is showing that the phrase cost an arm and a leg is an idiom that means something is very expensive or costly. Okay, so if I want to know this more with the help of example, I can ask it for example also. Yeah, you can see it has given me an example here. The new luxury car was stunning, but it cost an arm and a leg to buy. So it is an amazing thing. It is an amazing app to understand idioms, phrases, slangs, because those things are very difficult to understand. So we are not able to understand the meaning of those things easily. So in that situation, you can just find the meaning here on ChatGPT. So friends, the next thing that you can do here is you can check your grammatical mistakes here. If you want to send a message or email to someone, but before that you are not sure that whether it is correct or not, you want to check it for your grammatical mistake, that time you can just simply type that sentence or that paragraph here and ask it to check it for grammatical mistake. Okay, so for example, and the sentence is I go college yesterday. Okay, so the sentence is incorrect and it has given me the correct sentence. So the correct sentence here is I went to college yesterday. So you can check your grammatical mistakes like this. And the next thing is, if you have a sentence in your mind and you do not know how to say it in English, that time you can just simply ask this question to ChatGPT and it will automatically convert it into English. Suppose I want to ask it ATM यहाँ से कितना दूर है, and I do not know how to say it in English. So here is one more option is available here for speaking. If you are lazy, you do not want to type, that time you can just record your voice here. ATM यहाँ से कितना दूर है? English for this. Okay, so the answer is how far is the ATM from here? This is the correct English for this sentence. So friends, you can ask as many questions as you can. If you do not know how to, if there is a sentence in your mind in Hindi and you do not know how to say it in English, that time you can simply ask that question here to ChatGPT and it will automatically convert it into English. Friends, I hope now you have learned how to use ChatGPT to improve your English skills. Friends, use it in your day-to-day life to improve yourself and share your experience with us in comment section. It doesn't matter whether you are a beginner or you are an advanced learner. You can use it. It will definitely help you. So friends, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you have learned anything from this video, make sure to like our video, subscribe to our channel and share this video with your family members and with all the people whom you know. We will meet in next session. Till then, bye bye and keep learning.